Welcome back to our channel. I'm changing the name of the channel to Shreya's Corner so I can post other informative videos in addition to cooking videos. Let's see the recipe for healthy, sugar-free apricot and nuts ladoo. The ingredients we need for this recipe are This is a very healthy, sugar-free snack recipe. Please try this and post your comments, and also please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.